Hey Auto Good fam, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're zooming into a segment that's undergoing a massive transformation, the hot hatch. And leading the charge from France is a brand known for its agile, driver-focused machines, the Alpine A290. Let's dive into the core of the Alpine. A 290, this is an all-electric hot hatch, built on a dedicated EVE platform. It will be available with two power outputs, both driving the front wheels. The entry-level version offers 180 horsepower and 285 Newton-meters of torque, while the more potent variant, found in the GT Performance and GTS trims, delivers a robust 220 horsepower and 300 Newton-meters of torque. This allows the A290 to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a swift 6.4 seconds for the higher power output. While these numbers might not sound mind-bending, compared to some electric supercars, for a compact hot hatch, they promise genuinely spirited performance. Power comes from a 52 kilowatt-hours usable battery pack, providing an estimated WLTP range of up to 380 kilometers. For charging, it supports DC fast charging up to 100 kilowatts, allowing for a 10% to 80% charge in around 30 minutes. Which is competitive for its segment. It also features a useful 11 kilowatts AC, onboard charger for home charging, and even vehicle-to-load V2L capability, meaning you can power external devices from the car's battery. Visually, the Alpine, a 290 embraces its hot hatch lineage with a sporty and aggressive design, clearly referencing the styling of the new Renault 5 E-Tech. But with Alpine's distinct performance flair, it features muscular bodywork, wide fenders, a distinctive front fascia with unique lighting signatures that pay homage to Alpine's rally heritage, and a prominent rear diffuser. The 19-inch wheels, often with specific designs, house capable 320mm front brakes with 4-piston calipers, hinting at its performance capabilities. Inside, the A290 offers a driver-centric cabin that blends modern technology with sporty ergonomics. You'll find bespoke sport seats, often with unique upholstery and Alpine branding, designed to provide excellent support. The infotainment system is handled by a 10.1-inch central touchscreen with Google integration, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. A digital instrument cluster provides all the necessary driving information, and unique features like Alpine Telemetrics allow drivers to track their performance, including lap times and G-forces. The overall interior design aims for a balance of everyday usability and a focused driving experience, complete with an F1-inspired steering wheel. Regarding pricing, the Alpine A290 is designed to be an accessible electric hot hatch. In European markets, prices are expected to start from around £33,500 to £38,500, approximately €38,700 to €46,200. Converting this to Indonesian rupiah, we can anticipate a starting price likely in the range of Rp. 600 to 700 million, positioning it competitively within the premium hot hatch segment, particularly against electric rivals and even some internal combustion engine counterparts. This contributes to its agility and stability. Furthermore, its electric powertrain provides instant torque, offering a surge of acceleration that even the most potent internal combustion hot hatches struggle to match off the line. This immediate response makes it incredibly exciting in urban environments and for quick overtakes. Finally, the freshness of its electric platform and future-proof technologies like V2L and over-the-air updates position it as a modern successor to the traditional hot hatch formula, offering benefits beyond pure performance. While the Golf GTI has a rich legacy and a proven formula, the A290 offers a compelling, cutting-edge electric alternative that emphasizes driving fun and advanced technology.